Hi guys! For this week's video, I'm going to be making my bouquet for the month of May. First, I wanted to point out that on the left, you can see I picked up some maiden hair to add to the home as well. I was really excited to see it, and I've been dying to get this plant for a while now, but I just saw it and I just knew I had to grab it right there on the spot. Now, as you can see, I'm taking off the rubber bands from the flowers. I actually save all the rubber bands that I get, but when it comes to these plastic coverings that they put on these flowers, I have been having a difficulty avoiding them. I actually went to the farmer's market because I thought I could get some fresh flowers without having to get any plastic or anything, but even there, they had them all wrapped up. My current mission is to be able to find a way so I could get these bouquets in my house without having to get any of that plastic waste coming with it. So first thing I do is I go through the plants. I just check to see if there's anything that I need to trim off, like leaves or a little branch, just like that one. But I wanted to mention that I wasn't able to go to the farmer's market for my flowers. So I just went to a local grocery store to pick these up. And I first saw these little flowers, just so itty bitty and cute. I knew those had to be included, so I just started off with that. I was initially feeling kind of a blue color for the month, but I couldn't find anything blue so I could throw into the bouquet. As I was looking around, I saw that white kind of kept popping out at me, and it seemed like a good color. I decided to just go with an all-white theme with this bouquet. It's giving me wedding vibes, like very cute, very like seasonal springtime stuff, but I think it turned out really great. here's the finished product. I hope you guys liked the video, and I think this bouquet turned out really cute.